Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. I am Vira. In this video, I will show you how to take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A06. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you. In this video, I will share 3 methods to take a screenshot. Method 1. Take a screenshot with assistant menu. First thing first, open your settings menu. Then go to accessibility. Click it. Next, open interaction and dexterity. Finally, enable the assistant menu. Tap on this. Click allow. Assistant menu has been enabled. Now to take screenshot, click the assistant menu. This is the assistant menu. Click it. Next, we click the screenshots icon. Click it. Successfully to take a screenshot. Okay, method 2. Take a screenshot with key combination. Okay, press and release the volume down button and the side key power at the same time, like this. The volume down button and then power button together like this. Successfully to take a screenshot. Okay, next method 3. Take a long screenshot. First thing you have to make sure is the screen on your phone must be able to scroll up and down like this. Like this. Okay, next we take a normal screenshot like this. Next, click this icon. Click again. Click again. Click again. If you are down, you click back. Successfully to take a long screenshot. Okay, you can see the result on your gallery. This is a normal screenshot and this is a long screenshot. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.